Hi, I'm Brandon Day, the Vice President of Automation at Werner Electric. I'd like to personally invite you to attend the Pro4M event May 9th and 10th in Green Bay at Lambeau Field. Pro4M is an excellent opportunity for hands-on sessions, technical labs, and engagement with process-focused individuals and engineers from Werner Electric and your manufacturing peers from around the state of Wisconsin. We'll have keynote speakers that focus on bringing the connected enterprise to life across many different industries and different types of manufacturing. And we'll also have technical experts that can walk you through the details of applying technologies and solutions that will impact your manufacturing environments. So please take some time to go to wernerelectric.com. Registration is open for the event today. It's a great opportunity to spend some time with the Werner Electric process subject matter experts. We're very excited to have you there. See you soon.